Alright, we're back to the pool. Right, we got the steel here, reinforcement steel, S12 bars and N16. We got more bars here, more bars here. We spread them all out now so we can start putting them in. We're pumping the water out in the deep end so we can walk and we can start with the steel. I'm gonna have to put some blue metal on top of the pipes. Done a trench here. We've got a trench here that's gonna go for the shade. It's gonna go along the back here. Filter and pump's gonna be in the back here. And we done the excavation here. That's a skimmer box is gonna be here. That's a suction for the pool. Goes across here back to the filter. That's our reinforcement plan for the steel, specifications of steel. That's for our beam up here. 450 beam, 300, 200 or 600 beam. That's all standard specifications. Then you got the steel. You got the steel here for your floor, deep end going up, 1.8 meter depth. That's the skimmer box detail for the steel. That's the drying in the floor. And then we got a seat here going up. It's a 200 mil wall. 300 thick on the front because there's a sewage pipe down here. That's about it. Alright, we got the pump in there. You can turn it off then. Should be right. Then we can start. Huh?
Feels right back up though, so quick.
Yeah. That's alright. We're gonna level the blue metal and everything again. First we're gonna steel the walls. Put blue metal on the seat. All the vertical bars go in first. I'll show it later on in another few pictures of the video. So let's get started cutting some steel. So what we do is here, gonna measure. We do the starter bars first. Makes the bars about 2.5 meter. Very simple. That's 2.5 meter. We lift up the bar into the cutter here. Very strong cutter. Just push that down. That's it. So we got the first bar. Next one goes here, approximately. That one is only a little bit longer, so we can leave that one. Next one. We've got 2 meter bar there, 2.5 meters. This one is here. Okay. That's it. Now, I'm gonna show a short one. You got the cutter on it too and everything. Now I'll make about 1 meter bar. Goes in here. Squeeze, one arm. Very easy. Remove that one. That one goes in here. That's it. Sits up here, in here. Push it up. And we got a 90 mil elbow here. That's it. Alright, it's Jaden's turn now. That's it. Next one. Just cut that one in half. Approximately in half, yeah, because we need short bars anyway. You put them separate, shorter ones here, longer ones here, so don't mix them up. Okay, you're now gonna go in the pool and then put the starter bars in. Right, we got our starter bars in here. They go from top down. You can film me now, show her and talk. I have to pull my guts in, but alright. There are starter bars. We're gonna hook up our horizontal bars here. It's gonna be starter bars in here. And now I'm gonna bend the bar, the first bar for years. What do you do? One arm up, muscle power, very, very slowly. Watch me, Toby, watch me. See, slowly, slowly. You can't just do it in one spot. Okay. And that goes up here. That goes in like that. Okay, we tied that up then. We'll make another one. So you have to move your hand slowly, slowly. If you kick it one, you can open it, but it's very hard. You see, you don't do them at tight 90 degrees, otherwise you can't get in with the cleaner after.
Yeah, yeah.
So they're gonna go in here. Okay, Toby, you wanna come in here?
Yes.
You can film that and we tie that up.
Let's get this out.
So we got our horizontal bars here. 300. They all go along the back too, 300 spaced. And we got them the same on the back wall here, 300 everywhere. Now we're going to do it on front of the skimmer box. Yeah, just leave them here. Toby's just cutting me some bars here. Beautiful smile. Colgate commercial. Got the Colgate commercial on YouTube. They're the friggin' pipes. Plenty of pipes for the floor system. And that's recessed here for the skimmer box. Alright, let's put this horizontal bars in. We go like this, nice and steady, beat by beat. You can't do it with the machine. 90 degrees. That's it. Okay, then you can come up here. Hold him up there. Sometimes you can just let him sit in there. Let's have a look here. I'll just get my wire ready. There are loop wires here. Pulley.
I've just got to sit underneath it.
Yeah, so we go like that. Nicely like this. Easy! You can get the pulley right on it, close up the pulley. See, you got the pulley. That's it. Okay, another one. My stomach in. That's it. Hold it there. Back. See? There are tie wires that come in the roll of 2000. They come all in different lengths. That's it. Next one there, you hold it back.
Might be a bit long.
No, that's alright, I'll fix it up. I'm gonna bend that one by hand into the wall here.
Right.
Go a little bit towards here. Alright, hold it. Up. Up.
Okay.
We got some big bars in the seat there. 16 mil bar, 16 millimeter, called N16, absolutely crazy. This engineer, I don't know what's going on with him, but I think he's a little bit worried too much. Never had to do a pull with N16 bars. Normally just use S12 bars and have them 150 or 100 centers and have extra droppers in the floor up to the seat. So we got most of the wall done. Yeah, it's running.
Alright. This is brought to you by Colgate.
You do the chicken then, come on. Come on. Come on, you do, come on.
Wait, is this a Colgate commercial or a... What the fuck? I thought this was Colgate, not Ingham's or Steggins.
Oh, have we pull here? We've got 2 layers of steel here. The bottom, one on the top. They're the 16 mil bars, 12 mil bars running into the back wall here. And then the concrete comes like that, down like that, across. So we're finishing all the walls off today, and tomorrow we do the floor. We might get the floor started, we probably could get the floor started soon. See how we go. Cheese! I say cheese. My Swiss Asiatic. More steel and more steel. Well, the seat is just about done now. Tomorrow we can do a little bit of detailing in the corners and then start the floor. All right, we got another episode after. You're finishing off the steel. And subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Subscribe.
Not subscribe!
Subscribe.
Subscribe!
Right, we're gonna do another video after this, because you can't do too many minutes, 12 minutes, that's about it, otherwise they won't accept it. See you later, alligator.